StarCat, take control with simple management. Every year, organizations spend a lot of money on software licenses, but without the proper management, organizations can still run the risk of being heavily fined for not being properly licensed for the software that's installed on their network. The good news is StarCat software license management features makes it very easy for an organization to manage their software and avoid getting into trouble with the law. In fact, StarCat can even be used to save money by providing insight into the software's utilization. This will allow a company to transfer or not renew the licenses that are not being effectively used. We'll now show you how StarCat can provide software license management in 3 easy steps. The first step of the software license management process is to track the actual software licenses that have been purchased. StarCat provides a nice wizard to record these important details into the system. Here we will record the purchase of some Microsoft Office licenses. We can select whether it's a perpetual or software subscription license, record the date and type of license that was purchased. We can group this license with other similar purchases, input the license key, quantity, and cost. We can even attach a copy of the purchase order and have the system send us a reminder for renewal. The second step of the software license management process is to identify the software that's been installed in the organization. With StarCat's asset management features, this step is automatic. Whenever software is installed or uninstalled, the StarCat system will automatically detect it and update the inventory. Here we can see a sample of the data that shows there are currently 928 copies of Microsoft Office 2007 installed within the organization. If you'd like to learn more about StarCat's asset and inventory management features, we have a separate video you can watch. The third and final step of the software license management process is to compare the licenses purchased with the licenses installed. Again, StarCat makes this task simple with easy-to-read reports that clearly shows where we are in compliance and where we may be under-licensed. This report is showing we purchased 1,000 copies of Office 2007 and are currently using 928 copies. These reports can be easily exported for management and auditing purposes. This particular PDF report would be very useful to prove our compliance status to auditors. Once an organization has completed a review of their licensing, they will likely need to take some corrective actions. They could purchase additional licenses or uninstall unauthorized licenses. Again, StarCat can make either of these options easier. Before purchasing licenses, they can check the utilization of the software. If they find that some of the users are not using the software frequently, they can choose to reduce their purchases and uninstall that software. If software does need to be uninstalled, they can simply select the appropriate PCs and right-click to uninstall the unauthorized software. I hope you enjoyed this demo on how StarCat can make software license management as easy as 1, 2, 3 and help your organization stay on the right side of the law. Be sure to watch our other videos to see how StarCat is a total solution for desktop management. Thanks for watching. StarCat, take control with simple management.